Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common problem many developers face, efficiently merging multiple pull requested on GitHub. Whether you can sim whether you can seasoned developer or just starting out, this challenge you might counter. Imagine you are managing a project with hundreds of contributors and suddenly you flooded with the pull request. Manually reviewing each one can be time consuming or tedious. So, how can we automate this process? To solve this, we can use the GitHub, the GraphQL API. This powerful tool allows you to programmatically interact with the GitHub, making tasks like merging pull requests much easier. First, we need to authenticate with the GitHub using a personal access token. Then we can use the GraphQL API to fetch an open pull request. Once we have then we can loop through each one and then merge it programmatically using the API's merge pull request, the mutations. Here is a quick example how this might look the code, and that's it. We are the With this approach we can save hours and manual work. If you found this helpful, by sure like and comments, like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos. Thanks for watching.